happiness snacks. And don't forget to like and subscribe. First, we have a biscuity cloud, multi chocolate and caramel. And then let's try, ooh, there's some pistachio bites. We have a plant-based brownie. So I think let's try some pistachio bites because like it might taste good. Like, guys, now I opened it. Let's try one. Ooh, test. I really taste the pistachio. Wait, I think this is caramel, guys. Yeah, this is definitely caramel, pistachio, and chocolate. This is very good. I think I will give it a 9 out of 10, I guess, because that was a surprise. Okay, now time for this biscuit clouds, multi chocolate and caramel. I've had the white chocolate version, but let's try this one. This one doesn't have pistachio, I think. It looks so scrumptious. So scrumptious. This is the best one. I would give this 1,000 out of 1,000 because like these are too good, just like the white chocolate ones. And this is first place, so obviously the best. The big pistachio bites second, and the plant-based brownie would be last. Bye guys! Hope you enjoyed my video. See you in the next